Hey guys, and Ayatollah from Audio Direct, and one day before my birthday, I'll be a sprightly 42. Thank you very much. I'm sure you're all wishing me happy birthday. We're dropping off this awesome Toyota Sequoia. Done tons of work on it, and I think you'll remember that very boring Toyota stereo that came with this rather magnificent car. Well, take a look at that bad boy. Now, again, it's evening time and we're dropping it off as part of our premiere service, but hopefully you can get an idea of just how big the screen real estate is on this thing. Massive stereo, and such a transformation. Of course, your AC fully working. You can't feel it, but you certainly can hear it. Everything digital on this now. Home screen. This is the PX6 platform. It is lightning quick. It really is. Rev counter there, as you can see, shooting up. We've got navigation, Google Maps, radio, music, every type of connection you want. Bluetooth, SD cards. To be honest, these systems, we're going to have to do standalone videos to demonstrate them because we can't do it in car. We just don't have the time. It's just fully functioning and just oh so cool on this vehicle as well. We've also got some lovely HD screens on the rear. We haven't switched them on yet, but we got 12.1 inch HD screens on there as well. And again, interactive camera. The clarity on this thing is so good. It is pitch black pretty much where we are. That's why we've got the interior cabin lights on, yet it's so clear on that screen, and you can just see how quick this thing is. Really, it's lightning quick. Honestly, it's just so good. All your touch controls and everything, you can see how quickly this thing responds. Really nice screen. So ladies and gentlemen, I wish we had more time, but the customer's died to get his hands back on his car just to see how good a job we've done. So thank you very much for joining us once again. Ayatollah from Audio Direct.